In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use an AI tool to generate high engaging captions for Instagram. Now, if you're anything like me and you are a niche content creator, or you create Instagram accounts and stuff like that, or just maybe you're trying to grow your Instagram account for whatever reason, you'll know that captions is one of the best ways to force engagement, because when you have engagement on your pictures, you're telling Instagram, hey, this picture's the real deal, and then Instagram will start pushing your content. But one of the biggest issues is when you're releasing content, or you're trying to schedule it out, or you keep uploading lots of content, it becomes hard to stay creative with your captions or engaging without starting to reuse the same sorts of material. So if you want something fresh and you want to be able to stay creative without the tedious work of trying to stay creative, keep watching, because I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. Now, before you get started, if you like the software in this video and you want to try it out, make sure you visit trialjarvis.com and click on this button here. This will give you 10,000 free credits to try and see if this software is for you, and you don't need to spend a penny. So do not invest until you've tried out the software and get these free credits before you spend money on something that may or may not actually need. So here I am in the software, and the first thing I'm going to do is go to the search bar right here and type in captions. You can see that it has photo post captions, which is specifically write catchy captions for your Instagram posts. I'm going to go ahead and select it, and now you will see three fields here. Okay, so in these fields you want to write a little bit about the picture in order for it to generate unlimited amounts of captions, or however amount of captions you want this software to do. Now obviously the better the information you feed this, the better the results will be. So let's just go ahead and say, what is your post about? Well, let's say I'm creating YouTube videos, so how to create better captions for Instagram. Okay, and then what sort of tone of voice you want? Well, they actually do loads of different tones of voices. In fact, these aren't just the only tone of voices. Anything you can think of, they will do. But let's just go ahead and do casual, and I'm just going to type that in. Okay, next you want to kind of say, hey, what sort of thing do you usually create? Because we want to match like the whole idea of your general patterns and the way that you do things. So right here, what you kind of want to do is get better engagement with captions. Okay, so you want to type in general ideas that the software can use and then start creating stuff. Okay, so the more you put into the system, the better the results will be, but I'm just going to leave it as is, and I'm going to change the output to 5. So I want this to generate 5 captions for me, and let's go ahead and generate AI content. Okay, so now it's generated 5 different types of captions from all different angles. So the first one is just a hashtag, so hashtag tips, how to, and better captions. The next one is my favorite hashtag Instagram caption tip is to use emojis. Okay, and remember, this post is all about how to create better captions for Instagram. So these are captions that are related to that, and they're even doing some hashtags in it. Next is, I've been working on my captions lately and I'm pretty excited about the progress. Here's some tips for you to make your own. I'm not a professional photographer, but I do know how to take an awesome selfie. How to make your caption better. You might be surprised how much a simple edit can boost engagement. So that's really all there is to it. You simply feed the software with a little bit of information about what you're trying to achieve, and then you say, hey, software, generate me 10, 15, 20 of these captions, and the software will do that in a matter of seconds, like you've just seen. Anyway, I do hope you've enjoyed this video. If you've not yet claimed your free 10,000 credits, make sure you do by visiting trialjarvis.com or clicking the link below this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.